What's going on YouTube? GSN right here. So in today's video we're talking about an important Substrate update which has been released by Saurik, and this one is actually important because the Substrate is a very important component behind the jailbreak which enables you to have tweaks running on the jailbreak itself. No Substrate, no tweaks. So today an update has been released, and Sam Bigner posted in here, quote, update Mobile Substrate version 0.9.7100, and Saurik has updated Mobile Substrate to fix the issue where it would stop hooking after an indeterminate period. It was found to be due to a Mac port name leak that would cause it to no longer be able to modify processes after spawning somewhere around 50,000 processes. I've tested it with a few 100,000 processes and it's been clean. The version number is now non-beta as the known issues of stability and CY inject have been fixed. The update is on Elucubratus if you're using a non-812 device. So a very important update for stability reasons has been released, and this one affects the uncovered users who are using the Substrate and of course other jailbreaks that might use the Substrate. So if you find yourself using the Substrate, then it's a very good idea to actually update to the latest version of the Mobile Substrate, especially if you have problems with tweaks and their reliability, and especially if your device does weird things like crashing and reboots and stuff like that, because as I said, the Substrate itself is a very important component. It's the actual component that does everything in the background so that your tweaks load into the appropriate process. So of course, if you don't have a working Substrate, the jailbreak itself will have a lot to suffer. So especially if you're running the uncover, which does have the Elucubratus Repo in there, definitely go ahead and update right now. This update will definitely bring you even more stability to the jailbreak itself, so it's definitely worth updating right now. I'm going to show you in this video how to do that, but it's actually pretty simple. You update like any other tweak. But if you have any problems updating the Substrate, or if you get any errors, you should know that the forum Jailbreak Central that I created is available, and you can ask for help in here on the Jailbreak Help, and of course I would be able to answer your question if it hasn't been answered by the community members. So yeah, I'm going to show you right now how to install the new Substrate, and you definitely should do it because it will definitely increase the stability of your jailbreak, so it's actually a good idea. So see you on the device. So as you can see, I'm here on the device and I'm running the uncovered jailbreak, the latest version, and if you open Cydia in here, you can see that there is now an update to the actual Substrate. So as I said, this is actually a very important component. You can see in there it says Cydia Substrate from app.bigner.com, and it says powerful code insertion platform. Now if you press on it, it gives you more information about what it does, but the important thing is that it says that it's supposed to work from iOS 2 all the way up to the iOS 13-ish. It says in here Cydia Substrate 0.9.7100, currently only available via Sam Bigner's repositories while I get my life and servers and everything really reorganized. It's designed to support iOS 13, with the final version fixing a serious resource leak that would eventually cause Substrate to lock up and break. So if you have problems with the jailbreak, with tweaks working unreliably or stopping to work completely, especially if you're using a jailbreak that has the Substrate, then you should definitely install this package right now and update it, because that would fix the problem. So all you have to do is to press modify here and press upgrade. It's that simple, but you have to do it because if you don't, you would be running a very old version which definitely has bugs that would cause the Substrate to actually lock. So yeah, many of the problems that people reported with their jailbreaks were actually caused by the Substrate, which should now be fixed. So yeah, that's basically all it takes. You return to Cydia, and at this point you're running the latest version available, which as you can see it's even compatible with iOS 13, but not on 812 devices. So this is compatible with the uncovered jailbreak in here, but not with the uncover for the 812 devices. So yeah, update right now. Thank you for watching. I am GSN. Till the next time, check out the forum and description down below, especially if you have questions about jailbreaking, downgrades and stuff like that, and peace out.